Trump says Baghdad is #1 replacement debt. Iraq anti-government protests, death toll rises to 81. Parliament must be dissolved before polls, Iraq PM. Iraq Sadr calls for early polls. Iranians urged to postpone trips to protest hit Iraq. Yemeni defense minister survives Houthis rocket attack. Tunisia dismisses defense and foreign ministers. Anti-Muslim letters sent to mosque in German capital. 20 Afghan forces killed in Taliban onslaught. Pakistan traders begin two-day nationwide strike. Ex-Pakistan premier granted bail for 8 weeks. India allows EU lawmakers to visit Kashmir on Tuesday.